knee extension with foot rotation, okay? This is a exercise to make sure everything here in your knee can handle the rotation of your foot in or foot out. So if I'm walking, and all of a sudden I have to go this way because someone cuts me off when I'm walking, I wanna roll my ankle. I'll make sure my body can handle that movement, that quick motion. So what I do, if you're seated and feel comfortable, take your knee across the other knee, and slowly bring that knee straight up. It doesn't matter which one. And I'm putting my hands so I don't slide off with my hands right here. I come up, straight up. Point your toe toward your nose or toward your head or behind you. Once you've done that, come on down. The knee is going to twist based on muscles above your knee, your quad, which is your middle. Your quad has 3 sections: magmus middle, lateralis side, and medialis on the inside. So if I go straight up, I'm working more the magmus, right in the middle of the quad. Now I'm going to bring my foot down, and I'm going to bring my foot out to work the inside of your knee and your quad muscle, which is your medialis. I'm going to come up now, bring my foot out, but keep my foot out as I come up and point my toe. Hold for a couple seconds and come on down. Any questions about that?
Why you have that leg held up by the other leg?
So it's more for support.
Huh?
More for support.
Oh, because I do it,
Yeah.
but I don't have.
See, for me, because I'll be here, I'm like, it's almost like it's more hip motion. I want to just work my knee and the muscle around my knee.
Yeah, right.
Good. So that's more isolating the muscle.
But you bend it over.
Yeah, so for here, I'm more just using my hands for support, so my knee doesn't slip off. Is that your question? So it's almost like,
Don't bend it over.
so I'm coming up, straight up for one, to work the middle part of my, the magmus muscle of the quad, carry my foot out, to now work the inside muscle here, the medialis, here, and now do the opposite, and now work the lateralis, by turning your foot in and coming up.
That's the harder one.
It's tighter.
Yeah.
So when we walk a lot, which do you work the inside or outside more when we do a lot of walking, you think?
Outside, right?
Which one?
Outside?
Outside more. Because we have our quad muscle, and you also have a secondary muscle on the outside of the quad, your TFL band, tensor fascia lata. The outside muscle here is a secondary muscle. It's going to cause it to pull more when you take a step. You're using your quad. You use that side more. So the outside gets tighter. So the opposite. Now the inside gets weaker. So what people do if they have a lot of knee pain, and go, well, where's your knee pain? Inside. Perfect. So I have them do is bring their foot out and then come straight up. So that foot out, come straight up, works the inside muscle to keep that area nice and strong.